Hey guys, back again with another RYOBI tool. This one here is the RYOBI angle grinder, 5.5 amp. Let's unbox this baby. I know you're saying it's a corded tool. Hey, that's not bad. At least you're not in the middle of a job. Here's the owner's manual, and your battery is not going to dead because you are connected with this 6-foot cord. You always have power, so you can complete this job. This RYOBI tool comes with the disc. And to install this disc, we have this button on the back you push in, and then you loosen this here. Then you place your disc up on the unit. And let's get it started on there. Okay. Oh, so how do we tighten this thing? It comes with the tool. There it is, in the handle. This is your handle. I will show you in a minute how to install this. These little grips right here, you pull out. Voila. So, this little button on the back again, you push in, and it locks us here. And see these are 4 indentions where these little pegs go through. You put that on there, you can tighten your tool. There we go. So, how to install the handle? Very easy. See, it's at the top, it's threaded. So on the bottom of this unit, on the side here, I'll figure it out in a second. It's right here. This thing just screws in, is all it does. Well, what am I doing wrong? I don't know, but it's going, see? There we go. You tighten it down real tight and secure. Well, here's your wrench. You can always put it back in there for safekeeping. It just slides back in there like that, and it's out of the way. With this tool, I recommend you to use safety glasses because I am going to use this tool to sharpen lawnmower blades and such. And there will be a lot of spark and stuff. But hope you enjoyed this tool, and I sure am. Have a nice day, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. God bless.